So good morning everyone. This is Margoob Ali Khan. I am your faculty for current affairs and GK at Cletathon. And so today we'll be discussing about an important current affairs issue that was making so much of news. Fine, and it also caused in the adjournment and the delays in the parliament session. So there on from the last 2 days there was adjournment of parliament session. So it is a controversial and political issue. We won't be going into it. We'll be just be focusing on the issue. What was the issue is? So the issue is the Pegasus spyware software. There was a software Pegasus spyware that was used and that is being used to spy it upon. So क्यों ये न्यूज़ में what all matters is क्यों what who built this software and what all we'll be discussing today. Fine, on your screen you can see some of these headlines. Those were being covered with various newspapers. Fine, so one such was being covered with the Hindu, and another one that is a political issue. It caused in the adjournment of the parliament session. On the screen you can see Lok Sabha was adjourned, and that simultaneously the Rajya Sabha was also adjourned for one day, and the next day also it happens the same. Fine, so for the 2 days it has been adjourned, the parliament session have been adjourned. Clear? So another of the headlines that you could see that states Rahul and Prashant Kishore ex Lavasa and CGI ex-CGI sexual harassment case that was being imposed on. So that lady who imposed the sexual harassment case, and some of these people have been spied on. So we are focusing on India, केवल इंडिया की, we will be discussing about India. बट ऐसा नहीं है, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि ओनली इंडिया में ही इसका यूज़ हो रहा है. इट इज़ बीइंग यूज्ड बाय वेरियस अदर कंट्रीज. पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स, सोशल एक्टिविस्ट, various journalists, and this software was used to spy upon all of these political leaders, journalists, social activists, ठीक है, including India. Fine, तो there are various other countries जिसमें सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज हुआ है. So coming on to this Pegasus software, ये सॉफ्टवेयर है क्या, who built this? So this software is being built by the Israeli company. Fine, so Israeli group that is the NSO has built this software and it used to sell it to various countries of the world. Fine. Next, so Pegasus, it was being built by Israeli company and it is being used to spy upon these all what we have discussed upon. Fine, the government can use against any of these. Fine, so there are no solid proofs, but there was a thing that is political law that is being created, but we are discussing about what all happened in. Fine, how it got installed. It was being built by the NSO group of the Israel. And what happens is actually it will be getting installed onto a device and the user, that is you, would be able to know. आपको पता नहीं चलेगा ये आपके सिस्टम में या फिर आपके मोबाइल में सॉफ्टवेयर है. सो अब इससे क्या होगा, इट विल बी टेकिंग ऑल ऑफ योर डेटा एंड वट एवर यू आर चैटिंग, योर ईमेल्स, योर व्हाट्सएप, every data whatever you are doing on your device will be spied on and will be बैकअप. वो उसका यूज़ हो रहा होगा, कहीं कोई ना कोई पर्सन उसके ऊपर स्पाई ऑन कर रहा होगा, उसको देख रहा होगा व्हाट यू आर यूजिंग ऑन. आपके सारी ईमेल्स, आपकी सारी कॉल रिकॉर्ड्स, वट एवर यू आर टेक्सटिंग, एवरीथिंग, और आपको पता नहीं होगा दैट यू आर बीइंग स्पाइड ऑन. बट इससे कंट्रोवर्सी क्या है, इससे इशू क्या है? सी द पॉइंट हियर इज इट इज you all are CLAT aspirant, you are a law aspirant and you will be going on Article 21 right to privacy which is very intrinsic to individual. वो आपकी इन्फ्रिंज हो रही है. आर्टिकल 21 राइट टू लाइफ एंड लिबर्टी एंड राइट टू प्राइवेसी. रिसेंट जजमेंट था आपका, राइट टू प्राइवेसी इज इंट्रिंसिक टू आर्टिकल 21. तो ये उससे आपकी क्या हो रही है, ब्रीच हो रही है. अब द पॉइंट देखिए, इशू ये है. अब बहुत से स्टूडेंट माइट भी थिंकिंग ऑफ सर इससे इशू क्या है. देखिए इशू ये नहीं है कि आपके पास कोई ऐसी चीज़ आप हाइड कर रहे हैं या फिर आप नेशनल सिक्योरिटी को थ्रेट है. यू टेल मी, आप कोई चीज़ काम कर रहे हैं दैट इज दैट अगेंस्ट द नेशनल सिक्योरिटी. वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, यू आर चैटिंग विद द फ्रेंड्स, वट एवर यू आर डूइंग ऑन, दैट इज अगेंस्ट द नेशनल सिक्योरिटी? नो, that is not against the national security. But in the name of national security you can't spy on any individual, right? So अब से इशू ये हो रहा है, इट इज़ कॉजिंग आपकी एक इमेज, पूरी आपकी एक डिजिटल इम्प्रिंट बन जाएगा. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज योर डिजिटल इम्प्रिंट कंप्लीटली बन जाएगा इससे रिगार्डिंग. क्लियर?